Dada, palaksan nga, Dada. Palaksan, dali yung nasa kanya yung remote. Laksan nyo.
Nasa inyo na po ang power. So, power dito ang boto kung sino ang apat na yung artist na dapat makapasok sa
Sige.
grand finals.
At maya-maya lang, isasara na namin ang voting rights. Yan, humabot sa pagboto sa young artist na tingin nyo ay karapat makapasok sa ating grand finale. Just type voice space name of artist and send to 2331 for all Globe, TM, Sun, and ABS-CBN mobile subscribers at 231 naman for all smart and talking text subscribers.
At piso lang po, yes, piso lang po kada boto para sa lahat na gumagamit ng ABS-CBN mobile SIM and 2 pesos and 50 centavos per vote naman po for Globe, TM, Smart, and Talk and Text, and 2 pesos for Sun Cellular subscribers.
At pwede rin kayo gumamit ng ABS-CBN vote cards to vote online. All you have to do is go to voice.abs-cbn.com.
At ngayon, simulan na po natin. Please welcome on the Voice Kids stage, your top 6 young artists, Tony, Son, Wallflower, Andre, Laika, and Darren.
Together with the dancers and the voice coaches, Coach Sharon Geronimo, Coach Bamboo, and Coach Leia Salauga.
Huwag kayo may
May makikita lang na adlib, huwag mo lang ibubuhos na huwag susobra. Opo, planin mo.
Paglaruan mo lang yun, namamay, it's built for you. If you want to stand out, be yourself.
Mataba, magaling na talagang wala sa katawan mo yung sayaw. Because these two are doing this. And they know how to move. Ang labi sige na nato. Don't move. Kakain na kami mama. Try one leg. Just one leg.
Pag tumungtong ka ng stage na yun, talagang eksaktong-eksakto, talagang alam na alam mo kung paano gumalaw sa stage. Natural sa'yo ang pagiging magaling na performer at na singer. Thank you po.
Every section, sasabi ko sa bandang dulo, nasugat ka lang.
Play with the song.
Play with the song. This is your stage. It's a crazy fun song.
Alam mo yung para makakain.
Engagement crowd.
Hindi ka nakakain.
Main focus on what you need to do while being aware of the other two. I'm sorry, I can't do anything about your dancing.
Mula blind auditions, ang malinaw at magandang boses ang kanyang ipinarinig sa ating lahat. And that same angelic voice ang siyang nagdala sa kanya dito sa live shows. Here is Tonton. Isa siyang excellent singer, dancer, and belter. Performer. At isa siyang excellent din na kuya at anak. I am proud of my Darren.
This kid's proof that he's not all looks and charms. This kid can sing bawat word, bawat line na kanta. Ramdam na ramdam mo ang connection niya sa bawat buka na kanyang bibig. So let's all give it up for Cebu's very own, Queen City's very own, Juan Carlos JK, come on out. JK!
Thank you very much, coaches.
May ala ka nga.
Please welcome Tonton, Darren, and JK.
One day or another, I'm gonna find it. I'm gonna get you.
Oh, sandali.
I'm gonna meet ya.
naman kinira. Kakain ka ba hindi? Galing ah. Kailan masakit yung bislaan to? Sa kapit. Masakit pa ka. Marunong ka pala sa
Yan nga yung bago eh.
Great job for our three young heartthrobs on stage. Sino kaya kina JK, Toton, at Darren ang dapat pasok sa ating grand finale. Ituloy-tuloy lang ang magboto kapamilya. At eto pa, susunod, isang world-class performance mula kay Alex Gonzaga. Sa mga The Boys Kids. Semi-finals ng The Boys Kids. At mga kapamilya, you can be part of The Boys Kids experience. Available na ang The Boys Kids at Team Bamboo, Team Leia, Team Santa shirts sa www.abs-cbnstore.com. At kasama ko ngayon ang susunod na artist na perform si Miss Alex Gonzaga. Hi Alex.
Hello po.
Alex, ano pakiramdam na ikaw ang susunod na magpe-perform sa ating Boys Kids stage?
Kinakabahan po pero